What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Wanted to talk to you guys today about the market and how we're entering a bear market now. Listen, this situation is not going to change anytime soon. Inflation is here. What conversation I had with a friend of mine the other day was about investing into companies and keeping your investments into solid companies. If anything, this is a gift to us. The market is going down. I have friends that keep telling me, why are you still in the market? Why are you still in the market? The reason I'm still in the market is because I'm continuing to invest in companies that continue to cash flow. And these companies have solid ground. I mean, you don't want to throw good money on top of bad investments or bad money. And so all I'm doing is throwing good money onto good companies. So make sure that you look through your portfolio in this particular time and see which companies are not profitable. If they're not profitable and they don't have pricing power, it's going to be very difficult for them to come back to be able to create a return for you after that investment. So look through your portfolio and continue to see whether or not they have strong net income, whether they have strong revenue, they have good EPS. Things like that are super important. Don't settle for a company that, the EPS is just not growing, net income is not growing, or they have negative net income. Make sure that the companies that you're investing in continue to grow as a company. And the beautiful thing about it is it's a gift. Like I said, these companies continue to grow and then you get it at a cheaper price. We're waiting for the one big domino to fall. And like Kevin O'Leary said in CNBC's Squawk Box today, was that the big domino hasn't fallen yet. And somebody out there is completely leveraged. And that leverage is going to meet its day in this bear market. Once that does, I think we'll be out of this scenario where inflation is extremely high and you have the war in Ukraine. Continue to invest in companies that grow, continue to make gains in the market. And at the end, institutional investment has no choice but to come in and support those companies. Jim Cramer said it best, that in this particular market, to have a broad market ETF is not the best strategy, but if you're still learning investing, I understand. If you're a seasoned investor, start thinking about picking those stocks that are making cash flow and gaining returns. Anyways, guys, if you like more of this content, please make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about where the market is headed and where we are today, and I'll be more than happy to either make a video or comment on it. Guys, thank you again for continuing to support the channel, and I hope to see you soon.